my beautiful people. Yeah, welcome back again to our channel. This is Lydia. So guys, this video particularly for somebody that just asked me which app can I use to create a thumbnail. You can remember one of my videos I talk about thumbnail and I put an example on the screen. I said this is thumbnail, like create an attractive thumbnail for people to click on your video to watch. So someone came and asked me, please, which app can I use to create a thumbnail? So I'm here to give you 6 different apps in which you can use to create a thumbnail. We have a lot of different apps to create thumbnails and various for different platforms. We have Facebook, we have YouTube, we have TikTok, a lot of different apps in which you can use to create your thumbnails for different platforms. But here I'm going to be giving you the one for YouTube, and you can also use it for different platforms though. So just know which one you use, like can check it out, and the one that is easy for you to use, you use it. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Click on that notification button and turn it on so that whenever I upload important videos like this, you won't be left out. You'll be notified that, oh, Lydia has uploaded a video, come and watch. So guys, the first app I'm going to talk to you about is the Adobe Spark. Adobe Spark, it enables you to create a professional looking thumbnail, and it is very easy to use. If you're good in technology or using phones, it is actually very easy for you to use. Now it gives you design that are eye-catching. If you use that app, it gives you designs that are eye-catching. It helps you to it makes people to oh, this thumbnail is actually good, it's attractive, it can make people to click on your videos to watch what the content is. So the second one, which is Canva. Canva is what I use. It is simple for me. Meanwhile, another people or others, they can use different other app, but for me, what I use is Canva. Canva makes my work so easy. So this Canva now, it customizes your template. It has a customized template specifically for what social media platforms. Then now it provides a wide range of fonts, colors, images, and so on, and it gives you an engaging thumbnail. The third one, we have the PicMonkey. PicMonkey is a user-friendly app. Anybody can also use it. So far as you can manipulate your phone, you can actually use it. So it helps you to create a unique thumbnail, which is very specific and so eye-catching also. So you can actually use either you use the Adobe Spark, you use Canvas, or you use this PicMonkey. Those are 3 already I have mentioned, and they are so very easy. In fact, they are very easy to use. Oh, English is hard though, but we are going to push you. So guys, don't mind me. So as I was saying, there are 3 apps I mentioned already. Number 4 is now Photo. We have Photo. It's a very good app that is very powerful, guys, and it helps you, gives you a captivating thumbnail. Very good. And the design are so captivating. They are so good, and their tools, it helps you to enhance your work. It has good light, it gives you good image, and so on. It has variety of colors also for you that in which you can use. It has variety of fonts. Fonts are those one writings. We have one writing that can slide. We have straight. We have alphabet. We have normal, AB pattern. Those are fonts. If you are someone who have been used to this app, you are going to know. We have Snapseed. Snapseed is a very mobile app that people use a lot. A very mobile app people use a lot, and it helps you provide an advanced photo for your thumbnail. Then it gives you that editing capabilities. It makes it so easy for you. Then there is a filter in which you can use to filter your work, filter your image, those kind of things. So now the last one, which is number 6, is Over. OVER. Yes, there's an app called OVER, that is Over. It helps you to give you a very nice thumbnail. Graphic design is good, a lot of fonts, a lot of colors, an appealing thumbnail, and so on. Now remember that choosing the right app depends on you. It depends on you. and on your specific requirements, what you need. Then now like the platform also matters. It can be maybe Facebook, it can be YouTube, it can be Instagram. So you have to know that it varies. So it depends on you, on what you want to do. So remember that, don't go, maybe for example you use a different thumbnail to create another thing. I told you, over my YouTube channel I use Canva. Now it is always good to have the idea or to explore. You can actually like download all the apps, you try which one is easy for you, and you're good to go. The one that you know that you are perfect, you can edit well, therefore it's good and fine. So I think I've mentioned 6 to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys again in our next video. Bye bye.